Hello, I'm Paolo Perrotta. Welcome to How Machine Learning Works, a short training that will take you all the way from scratch to building a real computer vision program. Machine learning is everywhere these days, but it's also an intimidating topic, even for experienced programmers, because it feels so foreign, like this amazing sci-fi thing that's reserved to mathematicians and researchers. It doesn't have to be that way. In this course, I want to demystify machine learning and give you a technical idea of how it works. I'll tell you about supervised learning, which is the most important type of machine learning today. We'll write our very first machine learning program together, and then we'll evolve that code step by step until we have a short program that recognizes images of handwritten digits. And here is the best part. We're going to do that all by ourselves. No magical libraries, no AI tools. All of that code will be yours. You'll be able to read it, understand it, and experiment with it. We only have two requirements for this training. First, you should know some high school mathematics, or it's okay even if you have some recollection of it. Second, and most important, you should be a programmer. You should know how to read and write code. We'll use Python for our examples, so if you know Python, you're golden. Otherwise, no worries. Python is a friendly language, it's easy to read, so as long as you know any programming language, I think you'll be able to follow. By the end of this Pluralsight training, you'll know how machine learning works. Modern artificial intelligence won't look like magic anymore. So let's dive in.